Hi all, this is a GRE Quantitative Comparison practice question. This QZ question is from ratio proportion. Take a look at the question. Two gears A and B are connected. Okay, gear A has 30 teeth and gear B has 45 teeth. What are the quantities we are trying to compare? Quantity B is very simple, 3. Quantity A, the number of rotations gear B makes when gear A makes 5 complete rotations. When A does 5 complete rotations, how many rotations would B have done? Let's understand this concept so that we can compare this. Quantity B, there is nothing to work on it. You know the number is 3. We just try to figure out the number of rotations that B makes. Is it 3, lesser than 3, greater than 3? That's what we need to do. 4 answer options basically are quantity A is greater is choice A, quantity B is greater is choice B, they're equal is choice C, cannot be determined is choice D. Let's set about working on this information, right? Gear A has 30 teeth. Gear B has got 45 teeth. So when gear A does one rotation, right, because these two gears are connected, one tooth of A will mesh with one tooth of B. That is how it's going to move. It's not going to skip a tooth and go all right? So when this does one rotation, it would have engaged all 30 teeth in it. Correspondingly, at the same time, only 30 teeth of B would have got engaged. When will B complete one rotation? B will complete one rotation when 45 of its teeth have got engaged. Now only 30 of the 45 have got engaged when A has completed one rotation, which means that 30 upon 45, 2/3 of a rotation is what B would have completed when A completes one rotation. So one rotation of A will correspond to 2/3 of a rotation of B. Now they're saying A completes 5 rotations. So when A completes 5 rotations, B will complete 5 times 2 by 3, which is 10 by 3, which is equal to 3.33 rotations. What do we have to compare? The number of rotations that B does, this quantity, this 3.33, with the number 3. This is a 3.33, this is a 3. Obviously 3.33 is greater than 3. So choice A is the correct answer to this question.